assistants, welcome to my very first video tutorial. I'm excited, but bear with me because I'm learning as I go along here, so there may be a few little glitches in this first one. But what I want to show you how to make today are these fun accordion rosettes or flowers, as some people call them. And you can see there's quite a bit of dimension to these. And this one's quite large. I'm working on a banner project where I need a little bit of a larger size. But you can make them all different sizes. As you can see in this card here, there's 3 different sizes, and depending on the size of your paper strip that you start with, the width, the length, and the increments that you put your score lines, that's going to determine the size of your paper flower. But like I said, we're going to make this one here today. So what you need to start with are 2 strips of pattern paper. And the strips are 1.5 inches by 12 inches, and you're going to need 2 of them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to score them every 1/2 inch all the way across. I'm going to give you a little tip. If you're going to make a bunch of these, you might want to start with your full 12 by 12 piece of pattern paper and do all your scoring all the way down, and then cut your strips, and that'll save you some time because then you'll only have to score it once. And there's a number of different ways that you can score it. I happen to have a Martha Stewart scoreboard that I like to use, but you can also use a score pal or your paper trimmer, and some people just even do the fan fold without any scoring at all. But like I said, you're going to start out with the 2 strips, 1.5 by 12 inch pattern paper, scored at 1/2 inch all the way across. And then what you're going to do, I've already done it here, you're just going to go ahead and fold them in an accordion fold, kind of like a fan fold. You can see that there. And you're going to fold them all the way across. So you're going to have your 2 strips just like this. And now I'm going to point this down here so you can see where I'm working just a little bit better. I'll do the best I can to let you see here. Okay, the next step is you're going to adhere these together to make one long strip. So I am fond of the Bonding Memories glue by Close to My Heart for this part of the project. And I just put a little bit of adhesive right here on one of the flaps. And then you're just going to adhere it like this, one on top of each other like this, so you can hide the seams. And then this way it looks like one long strip. So once you've got that step done, then you're just going to bring it around and adhere the other side to make it into a circle. So again, just put a little adhesive on that flap. Oops. And go ahead and glue it together to make your circle. Okay, there we go. So this is what we have now, if you can see that. Just a little circle. Then what you're going to do is punch a circle. It doesn't really matter what the size is as long as it's smaller than your flower. And just punch a circle out of some scrap cardstock. And this is actually probably the hardest part of the whole project is squishing this down. I don't know if you can see that, to make your flower shape. Okay, I'll try that again. And actually, I like to do it on the back side because I'm gonna glue this on to the back side. So I'm gonna have my butterfly pattern on the outside and the green pattern on the back. So I flip it around and fold it down like this, and then I'm going to adhere my circle right here to hold it in place. And there's a couple of adhesives that I like for this. Aliens makes a good tacky glue. There's the original tacky glue. This is a quick dry tacky glue. You can also use a glue gun, or you can use glue dots or some other real strong adhesive, but for the purposes of my video and wanting this to dry real quickly, I'm going to use this quick dry glue. So again, I squish it down like this. I'll show you one more time. Kind of fold it in and squish it down. And then, since this is the back, I'm just going to put my little circle punch out here and glue it right down on the back here. And this isn't going to show because this is going to go to the back of your project. So you just want to hold it down for a second there while the glue sets. And then you can flip it over and you can see you've got your rosette. And I like to put a little drop of glue right in the inside here too on the front, just to hold it in place, make it a little bit stronger. And just kind of hold it there. And then while that's drying, what you can do is pick out whatever you want to have as your center embellishment. If you want to put a brad or a button or any kind of little bling is kind of fun. The project that I'm working on, like I said, is a banner project. So I'm going to have 7 of these medallions, all with a different letter. It's going to say welcome all the way across. So here's the E that I've stamped. And what I did was I punched out 2 more circles. The smaller circle is 1 3/4 inches. And I punched it out of a colonial white piece of cardstock. And then the back circle that I mounted it on is a sweet leaf cardstock circle that is 2 inches. And this is the stamp set that I use. This is Close to My Heart's new Bohemian Alphabet stamp set, which I just love. It's darling. It's got letters and numbers and fun little flowers and punctuation. It's got a little bit of everything. And it just makes a real cute letter there. And in January, you can actually get that at a discount. And you can purchase that on my website at lisa.myctmh.com, or you can give me a call or visit my blog for more information. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on the back of my letter circle here, and I'm just going to adhere it right to the center right there. Hold it down for a second, and there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There you go. That is the final product, and I'll show you a picture at the end of the video of what the banner looks like with all of these on it. If you have any questions, you can email me at lisa@myctmh.com or visit me on my blog, which is lisascreativecorner.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye.